Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to change your name color in Modern Warfare 2. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So to change the color of your name in Modern Warfare, you'll need to edit your clan tag. First of all, you need to log in into your account, and once you're logged into your account, in the top right corner you'll be able to see your profile icon, so you need to click on it. As you click on the profile icon, a drop down menu appears, and right at the bottom you'll have an option as edit clan tag. You need to click on it. On this interface, if you enter different code, then the color of your name will change. However, this also creates the typical clan bracket in front of your name. You can see that these are all the different code available. In order to customize your name color, what you need to do is you'll have to use one of these following code in the clan tag, and it does not matter if you use your clan tag in addition or not, and everything behind the code will be colored. So then the code always consists of 2 characters. And that is how you can change your name color in Modern Warfare 2. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.